Hello everyone, I am Veena. I am lecturer in Government Polytechnic, Sorba. I heartily welcome to the third session of Unit 2, that is Production and Material Management in Organizational Management and Entrepreneurship. In the previous sessions, that is in session 1 and 2, we studied about what is product design, and what are the factors to be considered in the product design and the stages involved in the product design, and also what is production, the types of the production and also their characteristics. In this session, we are going to study about what is productivity, what are the factors to improve the productivity, and the 6 lines of attack method in order to improve the productivity. First is, what is this productivity? Productivity is nothing but the amount of production with respect to the resources, or it may be with respect to raw materials or man hours input. This productivity can also be defined as it is the ratio between the output of a process to the input of the resources needed. Like you can observe from this equation, productivity is nothing but it is the ratio between the output of the process to the input. Input may be either resources or raw materials or maybe man hours input. So productivity, it is like measuring the amount of production with respect to the resources or raw materials or man hours input. So this is called as what? Productivity. Next is what? What are the factors to improve the productivity? How we can improve the productivity? So productivity is nothing but amount of production with respect to the materials or man hours or maybe what? Resources. So how it can be improved means with the application of new technology and also by standardizing the processes used for manufacturing the product, and also by minimizing the rejections, wastages and also the reworked materials in the industry, the productivity can be improved. And the productivity can also be improved by maintaining delivery schedules, good customer interactions, and by minimizing the idle time of men or machines. By minimizing this idle time or controlling this idle time of men and machines, we can improve the productivity. And productivity can also be improved, which is nothing but indirectly we are improving the production by modernizing the plant layout and material handling facilities at regular intervals. Productivity can also be improved by updating the existing processes and the procedures which are used for manufacturing the product, and also by eliminating the accidents in the company or in the industries, the productivity can also be increased. And by increasing the volume of production, which is nothing but the quantity of the production as per the needs of the customer, we can increase the or we can improve the productivity. And by providing good housekeeping, the productivity can be improved. And by providing better working conditions and giving incentives to the employees get motivation and they will do the work efficiently. By that, the production will increases, indirectly it increases the productivity. And the productivity can also be improved by eliminating what? Accidents. And also by giving efficient training and team building, if it done in the company, then also it increases the productivity. And by improving or enhancing the customer satisfaction also, the productivity increases. Whenever the customer satisfies, the amount of production automatically increases because the desire of the product by the customer in the market is increasing. And how to increase or improve the productivity? The one more factor is what? Automation. With the help of highly skilled or workers or sometimes like high-end machines if we use in the industries, with the help of robots or automatic machines, the productivity can also be improved. So these are some of the factors to be considered in order to improve what? Productivity. The next topic in this session is 6 lines of attack to improve the productivity. There are 6 lines of techniques in order to improve productivity. The first line is improve the basic process by research and development, and the second line is improve and provide new plant, equipment and machinery, and the third line is simplify the product and reduce the variety, and the fourth line is improve existing methods and procedures, and the fifth line is improve the planning of work and the use of manpower, and the sixth line is increase the overall effectiveness of employees. In these 6 lines of attack, the first 2 line of techniques are the long term techniques, and the third line is the medium term technique, whereas the last 3 lines are the short term techniques. Long term technique is nothing but these 2 lines, that is the first and the second line. These 2 lines of technique, they are on a continuous basis, means always the research and the development, it is like a continuous process, it will never end, and this requires a huge amount of capital investment. Whereas the medium term, it is like simplifying the product and the reduce the variety. It is like intermediate one. Sometimes it requires expenditure and sometimes not. Whereas the last 3 lines, these are short term. Short term is nothing but the no expenditure or no capital investment is needed for these 3 lines of techniques. So first 2 are the long term techniques, the third is the medium term, the last 3 lines are the short term techniques. Now let us study one by one. So the first line of attack is what? Improve the basic process by research and development. So how we can improve means by having innovations and developments in the technology which increases what? Productivity. And while doing research and development improvements, human factors also has to be considered. These should not be ignored. With the help of humans only, the new techniques or the new research is going to happen. So we have to consider human factors along with the innovations and developments in the technology, which is what increasing the productivity. And also by increasing the employee motivation, by giving incentives and by providing better working conditions to the employees get motivated and they are committed to their work and they feel what satisfied, so that the efficiency at the work improves. By all these factors you can get what? An improvement in the productivity. So by what? Giving motivation to the employees and also by showing commitment towards the work by the employees, like efficiency at the work can be increased and it going to improve what? Productivity. And this is what the first line of attack, which is nothing but what? Improve the basic process by research and development, which is a long term technique. The second attack, the second technique is what? Improve and provide new plant, equipment and machinery, which is also a long term. In order to provide or in order to improve a new plant or equipment and the machinery, it requires what? Initial investment, which is what? This investment is done on a highly trained technical staff and also for the buildings, plant and the equipments. So this technique or this attack needs what? Initial investment. And how we can improve means, how we can improve the new plant or equipment means by having what? Technical research and also the engineering research and development. And these research and development will be applied to the creation of new products and also the design of the new products. By this we can improve, and then by investments we can provide what? New plant, equipment and the machinery. So this is the second line of attack in 6 lines of attack. The third line of attack is what? Simplify the product and reduce the variety, which is a medium term technique and it is considered as an intermediate one. It may not require huge expenditure of capital because we are doing what simplification of the product or we are reducing the varieties. Only by having improvements in the technical efficiency we can have what simplification in the product and we can reduce the variety. So it is what an intermediate one and this may not require huge expenditure. And the last three lines of technique, that is fourth and fifth and the sixth line of technique are the short term techniques, and these three techniques, these concentrates mainly what on the operational fields where it is applied, means the work it is applied immediately. What the fourth line of attack says means improve what existing methods and the procedures. And next is what the fifth line says, improve the planning of work and the use of manpower. And the sixth line is what? Increase the overall effectiveness of the employees. So all these three last lines of technique, these are going to concentrate on what? Operational fields where the work study it is widely and immediately applied. And for these three techniques, the last three short term techniques, the capital expenditure is not needed, it is not required. Hence, these three lines of techniques becomes most successful lines of technique for improving what? Productivity. So what the fourth line says means improve the existing methods and the procedures. How we can improve means by having analytical and intensive study of the details of the operations of existing plants. By studying what operation of existing plants, we can improve the methods of operation of the existing methods. And in order to do that, the industrial engineering approach has to be integrated with what? Technical considerations. So, by the intensive study of details of operations of existing plants, we can improve what? Existing methods and the procedures, which incorporates what? Technical considerations, and also it is integrated with what? Industrial engineering approach. So the next line of attack is what? Improve the planning of work and the use of manpower. So planning of work is nothing but what? Whenever we doing this designing work or any production process, the first thing what we are going to do is planning. So the planning of work should be done and also how we have to use the manpower. So both the work plan and also the usage of manpower, for both we have to show improvements. So by improving this, we can have improvements in the productivity. And the last line of attack is what? Increase the overall effectiveness of employees, which is again a short term technique. How we can improve or how we can increase the effectiveness of employees means by providing training programs, by providing systematic training programs to the employees, their efficiency or their effectiveness can be increased. And also through human resource development intervention calls, means through the HR calls also they can get what? In-depth knowledge of human behavior who are at work. By this they can get what? The strength and the weakness of the workers. And also they can get what is the process of channelizing for those kind of workers. Through that also the efficiency of the workers or the employees can be increased. And in manufacturing, whenever NC, CNC and DNC systems are introduced, then the employees have to get what? Skill and knowledge enriching training, so that the efficiency of the employees at the workplace increases, which what increases the productivity. So these are the 6 lines of attack or the techniques in order to improve on productivity. So in this session we studied about what is productivity, what are the factors to improve productivity and what are the 6 lines of attack to improve the productivity. Now let us answer some sample multiple choice questions which are related to this session. So the first question is, productivity refers to factors such as man, machine, money, all the above. As we know that productivity is nothing but what? Amount of production with respect to the raw materials or man hours input or resources. So it is what? Productivity is nothing but amount of production. It depends on what? Man hours input, it depends on the machineries and also it depends on the money. So all the above. So the answer for this question is what? All the above. Let us move to the next question. Reducing rejection rate improves the productivity. Is it true or false? So productivity is nothing but what? Amount of production. Rejection rate is nothing but while doing production processes, what happens? Sometimes due to the fault in the machines, some of the products get damaged, which is nothing but they have to be rejected. If this rejection rate increases means what happens? The productivity decreases, which is nothing but amount of production decreases. Hence, the rejection rate should be always what? Minimum. By reducing the rejection rate, we can what? Improve the productivity. Yes, it is what? True. The option is A. Third one, productivity is equal to input by output, or it is output by input, or it is output minus input, or it is input minus output. From the definition only we know that productivity is nothing but it is the ratio between output of a process to the input. Input may be either raw materials or resources or maybe man hours input. So the correct answer for this question is what? Option B. It is output by input. Let us move to the next question, that is fourth one. Innovations and developments in technology increases dash. Whether it is productivity, production or profit or both A and B. As we know from the first line of attack, that is improve the basic process by research and development. What it says means the basic process can be improved with the innovations and with the developments in the technology. So this is the first line of attack among the 6 line of attacks, which is used to improve what? Productivity. So the solution or the answer for this question is what? Option A, that is productivity. So these are some of the sample multiple choice questions which are related to this session. And these are the references that has been gone through for the preparation of this session. Thank you.